Hi love, Lina here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in this video today, I'm going to be responding to a question from one of my subscribers. Her name is Belinda, and her question is about Peruvian hair. She asked, what hair is Peruvian hair made from? So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you what Peruvian hair is. If you want to know what Peruvian hair is, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please sis, bro, click on the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from our channel. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So what is Peruvian hair? Peruvian hair should be hair that was sourced from Peru. There's a country called Peru. If you want real Peruvian hair, then Peruvian hair should be sourced from people who originate from Peru. So that is what Peruvian hair is. But in reality, in the hair industry, is Peruvian hair really Peruvian hair? Not in most cases. What we have going on most times now in the hair industry is hair factories in China. They're mainly the ones that call some of their hairs Peruvian hair, not because all of them source their hair from Peru, though yes, they can actually source some of these hairs from Peru, but some of them could source their hairs from within China and then process the hair to get it to look like what Peruvian hair would look like, which is sort of the strands. Peruvian hair is very healthy, very thick and luscious, soft. Some of them are soft, some of them might not be soft, because the reality is that irrespective of how they typically would describe a particular country's hair, different individuals in a given country have different hair textures. You notice that my hair might be very, very coily. You would also notice that your sister's hair might not be as coily as your own hair is. That's the same thing that applies to most of these hair extensions that you source from various countries in the world. So some hairs that some of these Chinese hair companies collect from other places outside of Peru are being processed to look like it is Peruvian hair, or if they might not even process it to look like Peruvian hair. They'll just tell you that, okay, this body wave hair is Peruvian hair because they feel like, oh, people like the name Peruvian hair. So most times it's just a name thing. They could style a hair to be body wave and say that, okay, the body wave hair is Peruvian hair, or the straight hair is Peruvian hair, or the coily hair is Peruvian hair. But in most cases, that hair was probably sourced in China and it originally should have been called Chinese hair. But because people do not like it when they have to buy hair and you tell them that the hair is Chinese hair, who don't like to buy Chinese hair. So for that reason, they'll have to call the hair something else, like, oh, Peruvian hair, Brazilian hair, Cambodian hair, Burmese hair, Vietnamese hair. The hairs that are more in high demand, those are the names that they'll give to the hair. But I'm not saying that some companies that sell Peruvian hair are not actually selling real Peruvian hair. Some of them might be actually selling real hair that was sourced from a Peruvian woman. But I would just say that 50% of the companies that are marketing Peruvian hair are not actually selling Peruvian hair. I'm just calling it 50%, but it might be larger than that. I'm just trying to put that fact out there. But in general, what is Peruvian hair? Peruvian hair is hair sourced from a Peruvian woman. Then the other ones that they typically process and call Peruvian hair, you know what it is right now from all of what I just explained. And I hope that this video helps. You find this video helpful and you get value out of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. And I'll definitely catch you in my next video. Bye, love. Have a great day.